Fresno City attorney is investigating a settlement between Valley Children's Hospital and some nurses. Tonight, one local attorney calls that settlement unjust. KC24's Brianna Bias reports in the studio tonight after speaking to the attorneys about the case.
Valley Children's Hospital is dealing with two different unrelated class action lawsuits right now, both alleging underpayment to nursing staff. But they say the settlement of one could cancel out the other. So I talked to local attorneys today to find out how this could impact nursing staff. Valley Children's nurses claiming wage theft. Those words perking up the ear of Fresno City attorney Andrew Jans.
There are provisions in the law, provisions that passed this year that allow city attorneys, such as myself, my office, to prosecute or initiate civil litigation against employers who have not fully compensated their employees.
Jans is investigating as nurse Bonnie Ferreira sues the hospital for alleged wage theft against employees who work mandatory hours on call.
For those on-call shifts, they're paid anywhere from $5 to $8 an hour.
Well below minimum wage. But that lawsuit could be dropped because of another separate case. Westfall versus Valley Children's Hospital. These are two separate cases, but how do they overlap?
They're different claims and they owe to different events.
Attorney Brian Whelan explains the Westfall case was filed in 2022 and it focuses on nurses working during the pandemic who have concerns about adequate rest and meal breaks. That case was settled for $400,000 and the settlement would wipe out all other wage theft claims, including Ferreira's, which focuses on the separate issue of nurses being paid less than minimum wage.
It's absolutely an outrage that this is happening, where there's wage theft and then an effort through this other unrelated case to essentially wipe out all of these very important claims.
We reached out to Valley Children's Hospital for their perspective, and they sent us a statement saying they strongly deny all allegations in both suits, but they chose to settle the lawsuit anyway. They call Ferreira's claim a duplicate lawsuit and say it'll be handled under the Westfall settlement. They look forward to putting all of this behind them. Valley Children's claims the Westfall settlement is more than enough to cover anything that might be owed. Ferreira says they owe her $27,000, but the money she got from the settlement, $54.58. Whelan has a hearing scheduled for September 26th to object to that settlement, and he says if any other Valley Children's nurses want to object with him, they have to sign on by the 30th, and he's happy to help them do that. In studio, I'm Brianna Bias, KC24 Local News That Matters.